So if you get good at time management, you can close more deals, you can get more done, you can grow your career, you can build better business, you can have more sex with more people.
Hello, Tom. I know about your success, about your YouTube channel. I am sure that you are going to be expanding and growing more and more. Saludos, Tomás.
I'm so happy that Mr. Khan is doing this topic, the importance of time management, because it makes the difference of whether you succeed or you fail. So I wanna share something as well. In terms of planning and doing the work, my strategy is 20% plan, 80% work. So if you plan all day, nothing gets done. So for example, if you plan to see customers, but you don't go see them, then you get no deals closed. In fact, I'll say that I usually have no plan. People walk around me knows I have no plan. Because plans change. You can plan with the best of intentions, but plans change. So why plan? So just do. Call the customer, get the appointment, go see them. And when you do, you usually find out something new, and that changes your plan. So what I'm saying is don't plan so much. Just do. And you know what kind of people plan a lot? If you see someone plan like most of the time, you know what they're afraid of?
Someone in here, they say that fear of rejection, fear of failure.
Exactly. The people that plan all day, they're scared to get rejection. They're scared to fail. That's why they don't do. You must overcome that. Okay. And also, Mr. Khan talked about the matrix, right? Important, urgent, not important, not urgent. Okay. Not important, not urgent. Not important, urgent. Let me tell you, not important, urgent is really bad. That means you're terrible at time management because everything becomes urgent. Usually that means you leave everything to the last minute and everything becomes urgent. That means you are a fucktard.
Có nghĩa là các bạn biết rồi đó, khốn nạn rồi đó, khốn kiếp rồi đó, biết bản thân mình ra làm sao rồi đó.
Okay, so for the people that walk into my office, you always see on my table stickies. So I have stickies on my table. And you know what? I also have the matrix. I have one line for important, urgent. I have 4 lines. And every hour I'm readjusting. Something very urgent this hour, maybe not urgent next hour because it's too late. So that's how I manage all the things I have to do. I write it down in a sticky and put it on my table so I never forget anything. And finally, I want to share with you that how good you are with time management tells a lot about your intelligence. There's a relationship, there's a correlation. If you're super smart, you're really good at time management. If you're an idiot, you're terrible at it. And this is not just some bullshit from Tom, okay? Because scientists actually look at it. They look at the smartest animals, like what animals can use tools. Very few. Human, some apes, and crow. You know crow? I don't know if you know crows are super intelligent. If you don't believe me, Google it. They're one of the few animals that can use tools that can solve difficult problems. For example, if you put food inside a bottle with water in it, a crow sees that and they will go find stones, throw in the bottle, and the water level will rise and they get the food. Very few animals have that level of intelligence, maybe less than this number. So scientists are very curious why they can develop this level of intelligence even though their brain is like this small. All about time management. You're like, what is Tom talking about? Okay, let me tell you. Crows are monogamous, meaning one male crow, one female crow, they're together for life. Monogamous. They mate for life. A scientist study them and find out it's not true. Both male and female crow, they will go out and have extra partners, extramarital partners. Everything I tell you is true. So imagine this male crow, right? He has to sneak out of the nest, go find another crow and fly back to the nest like nothing happened. You need super good time management skill to do that. So because crows do that, they become very smart. They can solve a lot of problems, even with their little brain. So whether you're intelligent or you're stupid, well, it's it depends on your time management. So it's something that you must get good at. So if you get good at time management, you can close more deals, you can get more done, you can grow your career, you can build better business, you can have more sex with more people, right? So those are all very good reasons to get good at time management. Okay, so take some fucking action, get better at time management, don't be a fuck up.